What's that? I don't believe it. Suddenly, there is the outline of a strange ship. How is that possible? A luminous pirate ghost ship? This luminous pirate vessel brings to mind old legends and stories of pirates, flags, black sails, deadly guns, and the terrifying shine. The Jolly Roger pirate ship that shines in the dark.
Hey guys, I got a pretty cool little model, a nice little vintage model to share with you. I thought my fellow modelers would get a kick out of this. This is Revell. This is the Pirate Ghost Ship model kit. This has the glow-in-the-dark paint, and it makes the ship appear to be like a ghostly specter ship, like the Flying Dutchman. This is from Revell, 172 scale. It is kit number 05433, and that is pretty cool. Pirate Ghost Ship. You can see the crossbone, the skull and crossbones, the sails. So, let's take a look and see what's inside. So I took everything out of the box, and as I usually do, I'll put up a lot of pictures. The box is really cool. I really like that picture. So let's have a look at what comes with the kit. You can see the stickers and the decals. These feel more like a peel and stick kind of sticker as opposed to the water slide. You can see the skull and crossbones. Printed in Germany. Pretty cool. Comes with a paintbrush, which is pretty nice. And the paint comes with the glow-in-the-dark paint. The model itself is not glow-in-the-dark. The model, as you can see, is black. And what you do is you put the night color, the paint, the glow-in-the-dark paint on it. But this one, this is a vintage kit, so it's been around a long time. You can see it looks kind of dried out. So, it comes with that. Got some paperwork that it comes with. Let me get this open. It's tough to do it with one hand because I'm filming with the other. All right. This isn't instructions. This is just information on different languages and safety precautions. Then we get the instruction manual. Revell Pirate Ghost Ship. Let me show you the inside. It's just something so cool about this pirate ship. It just brings out the kid in you. I don't know, it's just so fun. I mean, come on, who doesn't love that? The glow-in-the-dark pirate ship, that's just really cool. It's not terribly difficult, but on the same time, it's really, really cool. That's step 10. Alright, so those are the instructions that it comes with. So let's go ahead and we'll take a look at what's inside the bag. Actually, let me take it all out and then I'll show it out of the bag. And it's been around a while, so this is an old kit. So a lot of the pieces have broken off the trees, the part trees. You can see, show you the ship itself. You can see the cannons coming out. This is pretty detailed. This is really cool. I've never done a pirate ship model before. I do have the Black Pearl, the wooden ship, but that's going to be a long project. Let's see the side of the ship. This would be the port side. On this side, I'll show you the starboard side. Again, that detail is, the molding is really nice. The cannons coming out ready to fire. The back part of the ship, that's probably the captain's quarters. And what we got here, looks like some decking. You can see the wood planks. And let's see, I don't know what that is. Looks like a plaque, the Jolly Roger. There's some parts off the tree. You see the lanterns. That's pretty cool. Let's see, the next one has a sail. It has some more pieces on it. You can see the ship's wheel right there. Nice. Alright, this part, you can see the rat lines. Looks like more sail pieces. It looks like a part of the deck or cabin. And it's got one more parts tree. It's got more rat line. And let's see. This looks like the back part of the ship. Wow, look at that. The detail is really cool. This is a really nice little kit. And that looks like it would be the stand. And that looks like all the parts. There's a couple of parts that had came off. Let's see. There's this part. I see some what looks like decking. Another part of the cabin is probably the aft of the ship. You can see it's got little handrails. We've got a door, and I don't know what this is. This looks like it could be a mast or something to hold the sails. But yeah, this is pretty cool. All in all, this is what comes in this kit. This is Revell 172, the Pirate Ghost Ship. And if you were curious about what came in this kit, then I hope this fulfilled your curiosity. This is like one of those really cool kits that, you know, it just brings the kid out in you. The glow in the dark, the whole pirate ship, and the paint. And I wonder if they still, I don't know if they still make this kit, or if there's a newer version that has the glow in the dark paint. But this is a really good quality kit. The molding is, the parts are really nice. I really think that the detail is awesome on this ship. So, this is what was in the kit. And if you were curious, then I hope this satisfied your curiosity.